really bad. There's a rabbit! What the f?
I'm fast as fuck, boy!
What? My front disc nearly came off. I've been riding around with a fucking... one screw, no sorry, 2 screws holding in the front disc. I've put in 2 extra, so I've got 4 screws. Not very safe, but it's gonna have to work right now. I'm gonna try and not really rely on my front brake anymore. But then again, for back wheels, you don't exactly need it there, so. Oh my god, my back is so filthy. Like, there's just dust, not even like dirt or mud or anything like that, it's just pure dust. I can barely use this thing, don't I? Come on, yes! Kept it up, just about. Oh my god. I always do that, I go over a bump when I fucking hands are off the bars and I let go even further. I don't go on here, so realistically I should be grabbing back onto it. So the aim is right to jump up on the back seat like that, but at the same time whilst I'm doing that, to start throttling, lifting whilst I'm jumping, if that makes sense. Like, it's fucking sketchy. Whoa. I don't know how I caught that one. I managed it. It was so fucking shit. Okay. There we go, like that. But without going sideways. What the hell is down there? Oh yeah. I know I said I'm not going on dirt, but I may have lied. No motorbikes, no. There's a car behind me, let's not find out what it is. It's a normal little Fiat. Where the frick am I? I just hear the battery rattle. Oh shit. Ah, I'm wearing t-shirts and shorts. Not the best combination. Yeah, I just ran into something wet. What the fuck was that? Got like wet stuff on my hand. Oh shit. Ah, that was a thorn bush. Oh, why, what the f... Hey, why is it slimy? Why is it slimy? What did I go into then? It's actually sticky as... Nah, man. I'm going up there, don't fancy going into someone's house by accident. Oh shit. Yeah, we can get through that. Just don't want to really get muddy. Oh my god. Go on back. There we go. Oh, you take it. Look at there's a gear. What am I on about? Why am I not just using the gear? Why am I being a fucking idiot? And we just close it behind us and everything's alright. Oh god. Throttle. There we go. Okay, nearly got my definite fucking camera in. Spinning back around, I don't want to disturb the guy. Oh, this is well pretty. Oh my god. Still not really got much of an idea as a location, but okay. These tyres. Let's go. Where the fuck am I? Huh. Don't think there's much getting through there, is there? I'm not skilled enough yet. Just slide it. Okie dokie, I found something else. Why are these shrimps fucking gone? Yo, golden hour or what? Right. Fucking nearly came off. I hope you can see my foot in that. Ah! So, they fucking busted. What's up there? Can I even get out that way? It looks doable, but it also doesn't. Sorry. Go. Yes, go on, hold it, yes! Oh, fuck you. Oh, thank you. See, this way, be respectful. People don't mind when you are respectful, that's a good thing. But then again, you can't please everyone, so it's one of them. This is so cool. Oh, you might have to my fucking get off me. Okay, not into the bushes, Fucking hell. Oh, I know where I am now. You can get up there. Oh, look. Mate. My leg. Look, there's a fucking deer. What the fuck is going on? Get on the helipad. There's a rabbit. What the
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
What? What just happened? What the hell? I've been stung. Saw a deer and a rabbit in 5 seconds. Wow. Bro, get away. What? I reckon if we do a little turn, push it forward, turn, take the pegs out. Let's go. Look how skinny I am. Skinny queen. Jump. Oh. Where's that jump? Oh, it's backwards. Oh my god, I'm gonna let go. Okay, no. Oh, I'm standing on the seat. No. Oh, bro, why the fuck are there so many? Can you please? Okay, no. I'm being a little bitch, but they fucking hurt. Look at that, can you gripping onto my grips? Oh, look, if that was my skin, that'd be me gone. Fucking man. The amount of bugs in my face. What the what is going on today? Mate, I'm taking a fucking branch with me. Hello. That's cool, that man. Just say no entry, right? But there's no cars, that's right. Police car out there. That would have been funny if he just ran straight into it. There's a police officer. See, that scared me though, it's a Beamer. Fuck that. On a real fuck that. I'm not trying to get chased by a BMW.